If you've ever seen this film from 1999, titled Magnolia, you may be wondering how and if it can rain frogs. Some believe it is supernatural, referring to the Bible's Exodus 8. But science tells us otherwise. Surprisingly enough, it is possible and it does happen. Here's how. A small tornado forms over a body of water. This is called a waterspout, and it forms before a severe thunderstorm. At the center of the waterspout is a tunnel that acts as a vacuum-like vortex. The waterspout sucks up lightweight creatures such as frogs and carries them along its path until reaching land, where it weakens and releases the frogs with rain. So there you have it, frog rain.